Hi Sarah, welcome to On the Spot.
Thank
Got
you.
6 different questions.
Wow, okay.
Answer them however you want.
Okay.
Why do you train?
To be happy.
To be happy.
Yes.
Why do you train at Illness for Life?
To stay happy.
To stay happy.
Yeah, because of the great friendships and community. Yeah.
What type of training do you enjoy the most?
Our team training. Definitely our team training. Yeah.
Why?
Because of that team atmosphere, that we're all in it together.
What have you learnt about yourself since being at Illness for Life?
That I'm strong.
You're strong.
Yeah.
Very good. What would be your advice to someone looking to start?
Come on down and give it a try. Don't question it. Just come and give it a try.
Name 3 things that have supported greater success in regard to your health and fitness.
Essential oils.
Essential oils?
Yes. Elements for life. And routine, definitely. Getting up every morning and coming along every morning. Yeah.
Good advice. Thanks for participating in On the Spot.
Well done.